Okay, day one of my new project. I just wanted to show you, we decided to come over and air up the tires, see if they'd air up, and so far they're coming right up. I believe a 51. Been on the ground here since 1987, according to that. And we're going to try the last tire here. The others came right up. Gary, hold this. Or here. In fact, the first tire, I wasn't paying attention, and I got to checking it, and it had 80 pounds in it. I'm like, holy crap. And the split rim was rusty too, so. Alright, let's see. Is this one going to come up? Look at that. She's coming right up. This is amazing. You know what? I think that tree is starting to grow around it there. Probably getting it out of here just in time. There's 35 pounds already. Take it up to 40 and let that be good enough here. I think these things probably need a lot more normally, but there's 40 right there. That is one of the handiest things I ever picked up at an estate sale, which this also came from. All right.
Yep.
Yeah. I should have brought the log chain. I didn't even think about it. Stop recording.
Oh yeah.
Erase that, erase.
Take two.
They rolled over here.
More time. One more time.
Also, if you hear any, it sounds really rough when it's rolling.
There you go.
Go ahead. All right.
It doesn't sound rough at all, brother.
Huh?
It sounded smooth.
Sounds smooth. All the wheels turn. Here we are. Come to claim our new 51 Chevy 3600. Been parked here for 32 years, and all 4 tires hold air. They've been holding air for 2 weeks now. Almost home. Last stop sign. Once we got it on there,
That's a real stop sign.
there's a booger. Oh yeah, that's right, we got one more. Alright, let's go. Alright. Made it home. Took us quite a bit to dig it out, but we got it. 32 years it sat in that spot on flat tires, and all of them held when I aired them up. Then 2 weeks ago I aired them up, and they still had to actually let air out of one. Got our welder in there. Lot to do.